it going?
It's good.
Nice car.
Yeah, awesome car.
I appreciate
I've
it.
never been in a Tesla before. It's so fun.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Like we're in a spacecraft.
Yeah. I like the white seats.
Whoa.
So, some of the sensors are broken, so
Oh.
I thought we were about to crash.
What's happening?
It's like, ah.
Yeah, it's good for when you actually are about to crash.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it seems like a great alarm.
Alex,
Yep, that's me.
how to open it?
You kind of push in the back part, like the black. So you see the door handle itself. There's like a larger black part near the back, and then you push it in, and then you. Yep, there you go. All right.
Where is the door?
Okay, there's a button like here, and you hold the button and push. Kind of.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, where the little. Yeah, there you go.
Awesome. Gotcha. Tricky Elon Musk.
Yeah, very intuitive. You just push in kind of the back part of it, and then it'll. Yep, and then it'll pop out, and then you pull that.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Sorry, never
Yeah.
been in Tesla in my life. So.
No, you're good.
That is a learning curve. Look at one.
Yeah, it's not very intuitive.
Damn, I'm so just intrigued by the Tesla screen there.
I got the full self-driving beta, so it shows like all of the.
No. Full self. Turn it on. I need to know.
Little hard.
Don't tell me that's not all you. Is that all it?
Yeah, I'm not doing anything. So it says creeping forward for visibility. All right, there it goes.
Oh my god!
Speed bump. Okay, not bad.
That must flew right through that.
Yeah.
Shit.
I don't think it detects them.
It got this one though. Was that you?
No, I haven't done anything yet.
Okay, so that it slowed down for that one.
Yeah, so there's a button kind of on the top. It's like here. If you look on mine, there's like there should be a little.
Oh, that one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, there you go.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Hey man, I appreciate it so much.
Yeah.
That was probably one of the best tours I've had so far.
Oh, cool. I appreciate that.
Hope you have a great night.
Yeah, you too.
Brother.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Just push in the large part and then pull. Like kind of the yeah. There you go. There's a button kind of towards the top. That's like here. If you look like here, and then you hold it and then push the door out.
Okay.
Yep, there you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one. You push the large part and then you kind of pull as it comes out.
Oh,
Yeah. And then, yeah, the inside's kind of, you just hold the button you've got and then push as you hold it. Like push the door out. Yeah, there we go. You just kind of push in the large part on the end, like on the, and then you pull when it comes out. Yeah. Yeah, so you hold the button and then you push the door out as you hold it. Yeah. You just press in the large part and then you kind of pull on the door. Yeah, so there's kind of like the larger part on the black part of the handle, and then you push that in, and it should come out. Yeah, and then as it comes out, you pull on it. Yep, there you go. Just hold the, yeah, hold the button as you open the door. Yeah. Yeah, you just hold the button as you push.
Oh, I hold it. Okay.
Yeah. It takes people a while usually. Oh yeah, push in the large part and then pull. So like push it all the way, and then pull at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's too fancy for me.
And there'll be a kind of a button that you hold towards the top of the, yeah, right there. And you hold it and then push the door out. Yep, there you go. So the back part, you kind of push it in. Yep, and then, yep, there you go.
How does this work?
There's a button kind of near the top of the handle, and then you hold it and push. Yep. Like where your hand would. Yep, and then hold it and push. Yeah, there you
Okay, learn a curve.
go. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one. Just push in the large part and then pull. Yeah, you got it. Yep, and then there's going to be a button kind of towards the top of the handle. Yep, right there. And then you press it and then push the door out as you hold it. Yep, and then push out the door.
Can you open your door?
There's like a button on the higher up part of the, or like you take the handle where your hand would go.
Okay, hold on.
And then you hold down the button.
This one?
Higher
this
up?
one.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
got it.
And then you push.
Okay.
There's the new record for the door opening time. Normally takes a while.
Lately, I've been getting a lot of Teslas as Uber.
Picking someone up from the hospital, I probably shouldn't ask any weird questions. I should probably be nice. I have a feeling that she's not going to be in a great mood, but let's see. Let's find out. Hey.
Hey,
Cool.
what? Like, I don't even want to touch it. How do you even open the damn door?
You push on the large part and then pull? Yeah.
Oh, look, baby. I know that's right. Okay, go ahead. Please be careful with this car. It's a beautiful car. Look.
I appreciate it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. Hope you're having a good night.
Yeah, it is. It's just asthma.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, just, you know how you just always try to be careful
Yeah, for
due
sure.
to the fact, you know, with all this stuff going on, but because of asthma, they just still took all the tests. She's clear, everything is good. Yeah, and then, you know, like, the schools don't understand the fact that, you know, us mothers, we know to keep our kids home for a week. You know, so they get back balanced. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
we know what to do. But then they start telling us, your child has been hold on. That's because my child will act up every change of the weather.
Yeah,
So you need to blame North Carolina, but I'm not gonna keep going to the hospital and the doctor every single time, and I don't drive.
I see, okay.
You
So they
see?
want, like, them to check
Yeah,
out the
like
kids
they want in the paper, like, and they be unexcused, and then they want to send me papers. Oh, well, she's been, you know, absent so and so, unexcused. Just be my no, look, leave me alone.
Yeah,
That
I mean, I think a
girl's-
little break is deserved.
She's
or
no,
some
and it's
leeway.
yeah, it's not even for a break. It's just when she gets sick
Yeah.
because it's the change of the weather. It's just her asthma. Pollen is gonna. Oh my gosh, she can't even step outside when they cut the grass and the pollen start dropping. Look at how beautiful it is. We get to come home and stop in our favorite color. Yeah, blue is our favorite color. You never been in a color. Look, I'm sorry. I don't come from, you know, having too much. I didn't make, you know, great choices. My mother just, you know, they pushed me. I got a year and a half left. College,
Okay, cool.
psychology, mental health.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I mean, that's probably not only a pretty good career, but also you get to help a lot of people at the same time. So.
And then I can start doing it for pay now instead of for free. It's just, you know, like none of my siblings. I have 2 more siblings from my mom's side, and none of them graduated from high school. You know what I'm saying? It's like nobody really completed.
Yeah. So it's kind of just a pattern that everyone was following.
Yeah, and it's like you know, so it sucks because it's like now even living here. Before I moved here, I was homeless. You know,
I see.
like, but it's like I still gotta appreciate everything that God gave me. You know, like so it's like, you know, now I have to set something for my babies to know, like,
Yeah, for sure.
yo, regardless where we at, you gotta keep fighting. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
don't ever go on ahead and make it. Oh my God, am I lost?
There's a
Honey?
button on the, like, you take the handle where you grab it,
I can.
and then the button, and then hold it.
That's
and
the
push.
window. Oh,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you hold it and what?
Hold the button you just had. Yep, and then push.
Oh,
yeah, there
okay,
you go.
come on.
Cool.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, well, I hope you have a great night. Well, okay, that's kind of the best. Just a little asthma attack at the hospital. I was scared it was going to be like someone's kid just died and I have to take her home or something, but that was good. Also, I want to get the hell out of here. I'm kind of in the ghetto. But then again, it's probably kind of good content if I just Uber in the ghetto. But I don't know if I should Uber in the ghetto. Purely for content. The people around are starting to see that I'm going back and forth, and we gotta go.